Welcome back, my dear students. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the acidic and basic nature of the substances based on the natural indicator litmus. Now, before going to the topic, let us observe these two activities. Here is a liquid material like water in the hand and there is a white chart on the board. Look at this. The letters are visible if the liquid is sprayed on the white chart. Think about what happened in this activity. Let us observe another activity. Now let us take a lemon and cut it with a knife. Now let us cut the same lemon with another knife. When we cut with this second knife, the lemon looked red. Imagine what would be the reason for lemon red? To know the secret that is hidden in these activities, we have to know about synthetic indicators. Methyl orange, phenolphthalein, and vanilla essence are some of the examples for synthetic indicators. First, let us find the acidic and basic nature of the substances by using litmus papers. The blue litmus paper in HCl has only become red. That means HCl is an acid. Similarly, the blue litmus paper in H2SO4 has only become red. That means H2SO4 is also an acid. In the same way, the blue litmus paper in HNO3 has only become red. That means HNO3 is also an acid. Finally, the blue litmus paper in CH3COOH has only become red. That means CH3COOH is also an acid. But here, the red litmus paper in NaOH has only become blue. That means NaOH is a base. Similarly, the red litmus paper in CaOH twice has only become blue. That means CaOH twice is a base. By this activity, we can conclude that HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 and CH3COOH are acids. NaOH, CaOH twice are bases. Now, let us see how to find the acidic and basic nature of these substances by using synthetic indicators. Let us first use methyl orange. Let it be methyl orange a drop in all the substances. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH, NaOH, CaOH twice. Here, which substances changed the methyl orange into red color are known as acids, and which substances changed the methyl orange into yellow color are known as bases. Now, let us find the acidic and basic nature of the substances by using phenolphthalein. Let it be phenolphthalein a drop in all the substances. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH, NaOH and CaOH twice. By this activity, we can conclude that which substances haven't changed the color of phenolphthalein are known as acids, and which substances have changed the color of phenolphthalein into pink are known as bases. Now, let us test each substance with all the indicators at a time. Let us take HCl first. HCl changed the blue litmus paper into red color. It did not change the color of red litmus paper. It changed the methyl orange into red color, and it did not change the color of phenolphthalein. Now let us take H2SO4. H2SO4 changed the blue litmus paper into red color. It did not change the color of red litmus paper. It changed the color of methyl orange into red color, and it did not change the color of phenolphthalein. Now let us take HNO3. HNO3 changed the blue litmus paper into red. It did not change the color of red litmus paper. It changed the color of methyl orange into red, and it did not change the color of phenolphthalein. Now let us take CH3COOH. CH3COOH changed the blue litmus paper into red color. It did not change the color of red litmus paper. It changed the color of methyl orange into red, and it did not change the color of phenolphthalein. Now let us take NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide did not change the color of blue litmus paper. It changed the color of red litmus into blue. It changed the color of methyl orange into yellow. It changed the color of phenolphthalein into pink. And finally, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide did not change the color of blue litmus paper. It gradually changed the red litmus into blue color. It changed the methyl orange into yellow color. It changed the color of phenolphthalein into pink. I hope you will now understand about the activities done at the beginning of this video. In the first activity, the liquid in the hand is base and the letters on the chart are written with phenolphthalein. As we spray the base on the phenolphthalein, obviously it will turn into pink color. In the second activity, due to cutting the lemon with a knife dipped in the methyl orange, the lemon turned into red color. Now, let us test the acidic and basic nature of the substances by using synthetic olfactory indicators. For this, let us take vanilla essence. Let us take dilute sodium hydroxide in a test tube and dilute HCl in the other test tube. Now, let us take vanilla. It is an essence having chocolate smell. How is the smell of vanilla essence?
Vanilla smell.
Now, take few drops of vanilla into dilute HCl. After adding vanilla, how is the smell of HCl?
Vanilla smell.
Now, add few drops of vanilla into dilute NaOH. After adding vanilla, how is the smell of dilute NaOH?
No smell.
That means there is no change in smell of vanilla after adding with acid, and the smell of vanilla vanishes after adding with base. From this activity, to observe the differences in the smell, we can find out the acidic and basic nature of the substances by using synthetic olfactory indicators like vanilla.